Hello, my name is John Momanyi, and I'm from a country called Kenya in East Africa. I'm here at Apollo Hyderabad in India. I've been here for the past about almost 4 months now because I came here on March 4th, 2025. I came here because of matters medical. I was sick and I was diagnosed with end-stage liver cirrhosis, non-alcoholic liver cirrhosis back in Kenya. And we searched for appropriate places and we were given a good statement about Apollo Hyderabad, and we came here. So on 4th March 2025, we landed in India in Hyderabad, and the next day we came to see the first appointment we had to our doctor, so that we could know the journey that we're going to have in our medical process and the journey that we're going to have here in India. So our doctor was Dr. Sharat Putta, and I was assisted by Raghavendra Babu and was Ravichand. All these were a team of doctors who we've been working with, including the anesthetist, and a team of other support staff members who were really good. So when we arrived, we were received at the international desk, the Apollo Hyderabad Hospital International Desk, which actually received us very well. They're very kind, they're very supportive, and they're very helpful in trying to understand the reason we're here. And actually, the process started before we came to India. It started in Kenya, where we were in communication with the staff members of Apollo Hospital in the international desk. The documents that we sent back and forth, so they would understand the day which we were coming. And the day we came, they already had transport organized for us from the airport, that is Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad. So that morning when we arrived, those transport ready. The people had been given even our photos, so he identified us very well, and we were brought straight to Apollo, to our residential place. They had organized residency for us. You can work with them to organize if you want your own residency to do it by yourself. They have no problem with that, but we opted for them to organize residency for us, and that was done effectively, and we were taken to our residence. And from there, the next day is when we saw the doctor, Dr. Sharat Putta. He received us very well. The doctors are very good. And I'm not just saying this for the sake of saying it, but because of the experience I've had. Very good doctors, very supportive, and they explained to us everything about my condition and what we need to do, the journey that we're going to go, the risks and advantages of the whole process, so that you understand what you're getting yourself into. So the reason why I came to Apollo Hyderabad was because, as I said, I had liver cirrhosis and I needed a liver transplant. I had a donor who's my sister, my younger sister, who we came with, and also my other sister was a caregiver, my wife. So we came and we had that explanation from the doctor. We also met the other doctors individually, that is Raghavendra and also Ravichand. And also the anesthetist, we met him also specifically, and they explained to us everything about what we expect, and that they're the team of doctors, among others, who are going to undertake the process. Those are a raft of tests that we are supposed to do, tests and scans, important processes, so that you have a flawless process and a flawless surgery. So because at the end of the day, what they're interested in and also what I'm interested in is success of the process. And that's what the tests were supposed to do. So we did a lot of tests. It took us about 2 to 3 weeks because of many scans and many tests, just to make sure that nothing would go wrong. These were explained to, and we were ready for all that. The goodness is that everything went on well. The donor was perfect. My condition could accept the process to be done. Everything that the tests were supposed to identify and get were positive in the sense that they were good. And of course, they were very helpful because we were being assisted also by a transplant coordinator. He is called Mr. Yuvraj, who's very helpful because He also explained the processes and the documentations that we needed. So he helped us get many of the documentations and the forms and confirm that everything is according to order.